So we have this equation x minus 3y minus 8 equals 0, written in standard form in question number 1, and we found its y equals mx plus b equivalent, y equals 1 over 3x minus 8 over 3. Now if we look at the y equals mx plus b, template, we can see that whatever precedes the x is m and is the slope. And in this case, the slope is 1 over 3. Likewise, b is minus 8 over 3. I'm going to write that down. M equals 1 over 3. B equals minus 8 over 3. Now knowing this information, I can graph the line. So I know that the y-intercept is minus 8 over 3, so it's negative minus 8 over 3. And my slope is positive, so the graph is going in this direction. Knowing that, I just need to draw a straight line going in that direction, passing through the y-intercept. It doesn't need to be to scale, just accurate. And obviously, I'm going to label my graph y equals 1 over 3x minus 8 over 3.